So this is what I'm working on right now. And I've seen this before where they just cut out the lower firewall when they want to put in a newer style engine. And I'm putting in a Benco Pro Street transaxle. I'll talk about that later, but right now I'm working on the firewall. You can buy the end pieces here in the States right now. You used to be able to buy the whole piece, but I couldn't find it. I looked everywhere. I could find it over in the UK and stuff like that, but I didn't want to go with the shipping, so I figured, what the heck, I just got to make this middle piece. See if I can get in here. This piece here. And I was able to buy the channel, so I'm going to add the channel in, and it'll come across. You can buy these two ends, so instead of just hacking it out, if you guys do have a oval and it's got the original firewall and you go into the doghouse, just get the end pieces. You can cut them out and put them in. So I'm rebuilding this because whoever had this before, this was a race car, they cut this out so they can put a bigger engine in. They also cut out this. I'm going to clean that up, make some panels, and close it. That's so they can get to the carburetor and make adjustments. I am going with a doghouse style shroud. And it's just the way I'm going to do it. So here's an update. Put on the lower firewall, that's in place. I got the skins on this temporary engine. This is not the engine going in here. So to make sure that all the seals going to fit, all these seals in here, sorry about the light, go this way. All the seals in here, they're going to fit. Make sure that. Now this piece comes off. So I got a lot of work that I want to do, so I want to do different. They went and, bolted it in this way. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to have it to where the flange here gets held together by the bolts that hold the fenders on. I saw that. Somebody else did it, and I liked it. But right now, I'm working on the rear. So it was the fitment of the engine, the transmission, because this guy went from a split case to a new style transmission, and now they know the fitment's good. I can take the engine back out, weld in the lower firewall, start working on this, working on those panels. Once I get this done, I'll move over to the front. I'm going to go disc brakes in the front, and that's a different project. I've already did the floors, and taking it one piece at a time. Did the floors, now I'm over here doing the rear, then I'll do the front. I got a fender, I got two fenders, so I got to touch up on the paint. When they put this fender on here, they went and tightened it so much they chipped the paint that all the bolts go in, so I got to fix that. Alright, so I got the firewall tack welded in. And so my piece here I made, it lines up here real good. The rubber here goes through, slides in real easy, so that's good. A little cleanup, a little finishing, but as far as I got the panels in, got this done. Cleaned up all the holes in it. So getting there. Still got to take the transmission out again, do some work underneath there. This is all going to have to be painted. That'll be a lot later on. I'm going to do some rust proofing on the welds I just did, and then I think I'm going to take a break. So lower firewall is in. If you see, I was able to buy these two pieces. I had to make this piece here. Basically, you can buy the channel. You can buy this here. It's not real expensive. And so I just matched it up. And that is it. Have a great one. Bye.